very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we are on the very first day of our school. तो इसमें हम जो chapter है that we are going to start, that is crop production and management. What is the name of the chapter?
Crop production and management.
So what is a crop? First of all, we should know कि crop होती क्या? When the same kinds of plants are grown in the field on a large scale, जब एक ही तरह के plants को grow किया जाता है field में, large scale में उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Crop. Crop हमारे पास different types की होती हैं. Number one is kharif crop and number two is
rabi crop.
So kharif crop, we can understand this term कि हम kharif crop हमारा क्या है? First semester में. तो इस and it is harvested in September and rabi crop it is sown in October November and harvested in March and April. इन सबके examples हैं. खरीफ crop का example you will find paddy, maize, millet and rabi crop example wheat, gram, peas, mustard. I think all of you must be confused by this because these are the theoretical terms कि खरीफ crop क्या होती है, रबी crop क्या होती है. तो इसकी ये जो हमारे पास crop है, how can we memorize these terms? कि खरीफ crop में हम ये wheat होती है या paddy होती है. So we can do this by performing some activities. For this activity, I was thinking to take you in the field. Are you willing to go in the field?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will visit to a field, but to whom field we have to visit? Raise your hand. जो अपने field में लेके जाना चाहता है, raise your hand, students. Okay, so many students are there. So let us pick up slip to whom name is mentioned. We will go to his or her field. So Khushi, you just come here and pick up a slip. Yogita, where it is Yogita? We will be visiting to your field. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So make a queue and we will be visiting to the Yogita's field. Okay, students? Let's go.
Hello, I am Yogita and you all know we are visiting in our field to explore two types of crop, Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Now let us discuss in these two types of crop in detail. First one is Kharif crop. Kharif crop are sown in June and July and harvested in October and September. Some of examples are barley, paddy, millet, maize. Let's learn and discuss about in details with the help of demo. As you see at me behind, this is barley. This is barley. And the second example is cotton. When the cotton is harvested from the cotton ball, यानी कि नरमा जब निकाला जाता है, कपास जो कांगसी होती है, जब वो कुछ इस प्रकार होता है, in this type of form. And the third is jo. This is like type of jo like barley. When we put it out, जब इसे निकाला जाता है या फिर काटा जाता है तो ये कनक की तरह ही दिखती हैं. As you all know that I say all these crops of kharif crops. Hope you enjoy this. Now let us see second crop, rabi crop. Rabi crop are sown in October and November and harvested in spring season. This is the season of rabi crops. The example of rabi crops are many like wheat and other like mustard also. Let's help with the one of example. This is wheat and gram are also with we will describe with one example. This is wheat means गेहूँ. ये इनकी फलियां हैं. जब ये निकाली जाती है, जब ये दाने रूप में होती हैं इस तरीके की. Second example is mustard. When the mustard is small plant in its the stage of small plant, this is this type of flower, and when they are harvested व्हेन दे आर बिग, ये देन दे आर इन दिस फॉर्म, यानी कि जब ये बड़ी हो जाती हैं तो ये कुछ इस तरीके की होती हैं, फलियाँ सरसों होते हैं जिन्हें हम काटते हैं और इनके दाने कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जिससे हमें मस्टर्ड ऑयल मिल, मस्टर्ड आर हार्वेस्टेड देन दे आर दीज टाइप्स. Thank you. Now I hope you all understand these two type of crop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you.